Hey everybody, this is a little friendly reminder that today is September 22nd and it is the start of this year's Halloween group build. I know a lot of people said that they were actually going to join on this one, which was very great news. I'm super happy that a lot of people can join. Reminder of the rules is just anything, any model kit, any model genre, as long as it has some kind of tie or looks or something to Halloween. So anything that, you can even take a battleship, make it look like a ghost ship or something like that. Be creative and all that. So I do look forward to seeing everybody's builds. This goes the first Sunday after Halloween, so it'll be in November. I think it's 2nd or 3rd. I don't have a calendar right in front of me. But this is the build I am going to do. If anybody is going to be in the group build, please put your but I am in the bottom of this one. I'm going to go through the original announcement and this announcement and make a list of all the people who are planning on being in it. And what I would do is on my page I'll just add everybody's videos that are in it that's on the list and make a long playlist so everybody else can kind of just watch over it. Maybe you'll see somebody new, or make it easy to watch everybody's builds. You can fast forward through some that you've already seen and it'll be all in one spot. And so I just got done with one of the other group builds. I have one more to do, but I'm really looking forward to starting this. So I think I'll start this one right at the same time as I am finishing the other group build that I'm still doing, and that way I can keep on track. I do understand that there is quite a few group builds going on right now. That's why I added a little bit more extra time. That way people can kind of start on some of it, have it sitting on the side while you finish up your other builds. And for the ones that have no other group builds going on, that they actually can get going and take their time on it, because some of these they want to add a little bit extra detail. So that was the plan on that, was not to interrupt with other builds. It was trying to actually give you more time, be the opposite. So hopefully that did help and work out. So on to my build that I'm going to do. I am doing the Death Dealer from Mobius Models. I did buy this on Halloween last year. We did go to a model shop on Halloween, and I did buy this, and then I did buy the Michael Myers Halloween one. I might save that for another one. I believe one of the guys is actually doing that one this year. At least that's what they said. They might have changed their mind. So, but the Death Dealer, this is one that I saw a long time ago, and it was one that I had to have. It comes in a really pretty box. Mine does have a lot of marks and scrapes and scuffs on it, so I don't think I'll be keeping that. But there is a picture of their version. He does have the red eyes and all that, and what I kind of want to do is I have some really small LEDs. I'm going to try to mount some red LEDs in there and then have them glowing. Now the hardest part is routing the wires all the way through him and the horse and all that as I'm building. So the thing is so I don't have seam lines, I'm going to have to put them LEDs in before I paint. And I think the inside of it I want to paint with a black primer or something just to kill the light so it don't bleed through the plastic. And I also plan on doing the horse's eyes. I think I want to do yellow on the horse's eyes, kind of give it a little bit of a more spooky look. And I think I did go through this kit before, just to show that it hasn't been started. So I'm going to just do a quick little glance. There's some more of the painting, which I'm going to need as a reference. They did have a very nice instruction sheet on it, but you can see it's still in the bag. pretty good size. I mean, there's the horse half. It's pretty good. But I think I'm going to route the wires. So I'm going to clean up the eye and then I'm going to drill it out. And I'll mount the LED. I might put hot glue over it so that way I can paint everything and I can just flick that right out. But I'm going to run the wires all the way through to the base, so I'll end up drilling a hole here for it, and then I'll put a battery in there. So, but there's some shield and chains and stuff like that, the tail. But I've been almost a whole year waiting to build this kit, so pretty excited. It's finally time. And then the really cool base, I'm going to see if my dad can build a wood base that this can sit on, so that way it's off. But I can put some batteries in that. But there it is. I can't wait to see everybody else's builds. Halloween is such a fun time of the year, with all the costumes and stories and all that. So hopefully everybody has a good one, and I'll talk to you then. Bye.